Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools: a new cabin air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure your Kia Soul is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. The cabin air filter is conveniently located behind the glove box, so we'll start by accessing that area. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. To begin, completely empty your glove box to avoid any spills or lost items during the process. Next, carefully detach the small dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. This arm controls the glove box's opening speed. Once the arm is free, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the plastic stops, allowing it to swing down fully. With the glove box open, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. Unlatch the clips on the cover and remove it. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, carefully slide out the old filter and insert your new one, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction. Finally, reassemble everything by reversing the steps. Carefully push the glove box stops back into place, reattach the dampener arm, and close the glove box securely. This routine maintenance improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Regular filter changes are a small effort for a big impact on your driving comfort and health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.